Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Kids, today we are going to learn and draw Ben 10. Ben 10 is a super cool cartoon hero loved by kids and toddlers. He is a regular kid who discovers a special watch called the Omnitrix, which lets him transform into different aliens with amazing powers. With the Omnitrix, Ben fights bad guys and saves the day, traveling to exciting place which lets him transform into different aliens with amazing powers. With the Omnitrix, Ben 10 fight bad guys and save the day, traveling to exciting places and having awesome adventures. Kids love Ben 10 because he's brave, funny, and always ready for action. Through Ben 10's adventure, kids learn about bravery, teamwork, and using their abilities for good. So, join Ben 10 on his epic journey and get ready for awesome out of this world fun. With his new abilities, he battles villains to protect the world from harm. Kids love Ben 10